Today at Mobile Centrics, I wanted to show you a new line of products that we have that I think you'll find very interesting. The first product is a screen remover. Similar to Falcon 530, this is used to assist in the removal of screens. In particular, I like to use it when I'm using the Samsung display separator or even the Apple display separator by just applying a little bit of this solution on the border of the phones while the machines are lifting the screen. The next one up is the flux remover. I like to use this when I'm done with some solder job. I just spray this on the board and it helps clean the flux so I can get a nice clean logic board when I'm done with the repair. The next one I want to talk about is the freeze spray. Now, if you haven't used freeze spray before, it's a very helpful tool that helps you isolate components that are shorted. You simply spray it on a logic board, it frosts up, and with a power supply, you inject a little bit of power into the line that's shorted, and it will reveal the damaged component. And this little bottle right here is a silicone remover. You simply put a little bit of this on top of the silicone underfill that covers up a lot of the components and is around a lot of the IC chips, and it'll break down over a short amount of time the silicone so that it can be easily removed without much effort. The next up is a slightly bigger bottle. This is a liquid flux, which I like to use when I'm putting back larger ICs that I don't want them to float all over the place with a less viscous flux. I can simply put a little bit of this on the logic board. The chip will sit down nice and tight against the board and it won't tend to flow like it's caught in a river when I heat up the board. And last but not least, these two different solder pastes. This one, the 138, I use this in a lot of my smaller IC chips when I'm reballing them or when I'm putting two sandwich boards back together. And then also 183. This I like to use for components that are going to receive a little bit more wear and tear, such as a connector or even a CPU. Basically the larger IC chips on the motherboard, along with charge boards, HDMIs, but things that are going to see more wear and tear. I've definitely found these products to be helpful in my everyday repairs. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about them. I'll have a link in the description for all of these products. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.